Hello, bonjour and namaste. My name is Bhaskar Dahal. I'm the founder of Nepal Hills Tea, a Peterborough, Ontario-based tea importer and distributor. Starting May of 2024, we are introducing a new program that is beneficial to our customers and our farmers and artisans, where you can buy whole loose leaf teas directly from our factories. Whether you are a tea wholesaler, retailer, or even a grocery store who wants to sell Nepalese artisan loose leaf teas under your own brand, you can contact us. This is how it works. First, you need to visit our website nepalhillstea.ca, go to the wholesale section and fill out the form. We will then reach out to you and provide you a quote. You can then select the products you want to purchase in wholesale. We will then send you samples of those products. You can try, and once it is validated by you, we can move ahead in getting your products directly from the factory to you. This program is beneficial to you because of three reasons. One, of the purchase price, because you will end up buying products at a very low purchase price. Second is because you can offer your customers farm to cup products. That means these products will be freshly packaged and shipped by the artisans producing it. Third, you will be able to support small farm holders and artisans producing these teas for you. Reach out to us and work with us to support these small farm holders and artisans and to provide exquisite loose leaf teas to your customers. They will thank you for it. This program is applicable to any tea company around the globe. We look forward working with you.